It's time to get super creative for a while. This guy right here is about to blow your mind with this work. We're about to watch the step-by-step process on how he's making an ocean table with epoxy. Let's place the wood piece in here too. The fun has just begun. Epoxy is really easy to work with, and you will be amazed how good it makes this table look. While the wood is imitating the land, let's deal with the sand now. His work is so detailed that he's also made little people to make it look even more real. It ain't an ocean if it doesn't have waves in it. Oh my! Don't you wish you were in there too? Adding more blue shades to give it the best look possible. These little guys are having the time of their lives. A little boat never hurt nobody. This guy is extremely talented, and we love to see him work. It looks so real that I would think twice before diving in. This is so satisfying. Even though he's done with the design of it, there's still some more work left. Taking care of every little detail so it ends up looking perfect. I would be so happy if I could have this table. We're so glad that such talented people exist. We hope you enjoyed this masterpiece. There's no word to describe how beautiful this looks. Thanks for watching!